Now I want to talk about the media. We've talked about the median, talk about the mean. Now I want to talk about the median. Median simply means in the arithmetic mean. The media simply means when arranging numbers from the smallest to the highest or the longest, or from the longest, you start from the longest to the smallest. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's from the smallest. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's from the biggest to the smallest. Now median means the middle of the figure. It's what's called median. Now let's talk about the median right now. You see, the median is any given set of numbers in a series in a multiple numbers after arranging the given numbers in order of size from order of the smallest to the biggest or from the biggest to the smallest. This is in form of number scores, okay, in the series of up to now. Where the example of scores in the series is even, okay, we then find the arithmetic mean of the two multiple numbers. Now we are going to do with the one where the numbers is odd, okay, where the odd number is odd before we go to the even. Now, example 1. Now we have to find the median of the following scores. Scores like 20, 18, 16, 27, 12, 14, 19, 12 again, 30, 26, 22, full stop. Now, the solution. Now, what we're going to do here is that we are going to arrange this thing in the smallest to the longest. Now, we're going to have 12, 12, if you look now, you have another one, 14. That is the nearest smallest one. 40. I want you to write, please. Let me start again. Let's from 20, 18, 16, 24, 12, 14, 19, 12 again, 30, 26, 22. Now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are 11 series, okay? These are the series now. Now, this is 11, okay? Now, let's arrange it now in the order of the smallest to the longest. 12, write it down. 12, again. 14, 16, 18, 19, 20, 22, 26, 27, and 30, okay? Full stop, rather. Now, what do we need to do now? This is the formula given to us. This is the formula. We have seen that you have to convert the numbers of the observation. Okay, we have 11 figures. I've just said it. If you count it from the order of the smallest to the longest, you have 11 figures of them. Okay, now in the middle, now the observation is odd, which is 19. If you count it either from the smallest to the biggest, you have 19 in the middle. You count from the biggest to the smallest, it's still the same thing. So now the media in the sixth figure in the observation, which is 19, media is now 19. Then we cannot just say it in an exam that it's 19. How? You have to prove it with formula. Okay. Now the formula is this. The formula is media is equals to bracket open n plus 1. 1 is that middle. The media, that's the 19. The middle one. If there are 2, that's where we're going to talk about even. If 2 emerge as the middle distance, okay, we are going to talk about it will be even, but that is odd 1. Okay, it happens to be 19 at the middle. So that is the limit of that's the n plus that 1. That is the 1. That's why. So you say, where did we see the 1? 1. There's bracket open and open n plus 1 close in the end, in the tenth. Okay, all over the 2. Okay. All over 2. That's the formula. Now, where n is equal to 11. Okay, it's 11 digits. We have 11 numbers. Now, media is equal to 11 plus 1 all over 2, which is equal to 12 over 2, which is 6 is the media. Okay. Now let's just see what we are talking about here. I wanted to see. Now, this is the formula. Median, don't mind this n here. median is equals to, you see, bracket, open n plus 1, close, all over 2 in the end. That's it. Now you come where 1 is equals to 11. Okay? Okay? That's it. Which have 11 is then 1 in the middle is 1. That is it. Now, median. Median now is equals to 1 is equals to 11 plus 1 all over 2, which is equals to 12 all over 2, which is now 6th. 6th score. Scores. That is score. Now, this means, okay, this means that the 6th score in the series, that's the written numbers are the series. The 6th scores in the series is the median. Get it now? So the median now is what? Which is 19, which is 19. Okay? I've been saying 9 all this one. 19, which is 19. If you take note of that or you jot down when I was calling it, you discover that it's 19. Okay? So, thank you very much. Keep attending the classes. Well, we are getting close to quadratic equation, which is very interesting. I love quadratic equation a lot. Okay? Let's keep going. Let's keep commenting and keep asking questions, inviting people to come and join the class as we continue. Remember, do not forget, we shall take some major subjects like physics, mathematics, English, yeah, and with time permits of going to government. You are familiar with that. Okay? Thank you very much.